Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm. We go to PyCharm download, and then that is under JetBeans. You will see that there is a PyCharm Professional that you can download in your Windows, and you can also download PyCharm Community version. So as you can see, you just have to click download under the PyCharm Community Edition. Download the file. This is our editor, our IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, we're done downloading the PyCharm community version. We're now installing it. Double click the file, and then you just have to click next. Click that PyCharm community edition, add, open folder, add folder to the path, then create associations. Click next, and then install. All right, we are installing. Again, let's wait for a few minutes. Almost there. Installation complete. Completing PyCharm Community Edition setup. You can just restart, or you can restart later. All right. You just have to click finish. That's it. So we're done. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. God bless.